Humanoid creatures first appeared on this earth 25 million years ago. One of the most compelling of reasons for the success of the human race has been the sheer diversity of people. The rich variety of people's lives all over the world, our different cultures, our societies, and even our bodies provide some of the most amazing facts and figures on the face of the earth. The species which has come to dominate the earth, Homo sapiens, shows a wide diversity of body shape and size. The Tutsi tribe of Rwanda and Burundi are among the world's tallest peoples, with an average height for men of 6 feet, while the Mabuti of Zaire stand on average only 4 foot 6 inches tall. Even within the same tribal groups, huge differences in body size occur, often as a result of hormone or skeletal abnormality, sometimes just because somebody eats too much. When Walter Hudson, the world's fattest living man in 1987, became wedged in his bedroom doorway, he knew he was in big trouble. It took 9 men just to carry him back to bed. But the heaviest man known to science was John Brewer Minnock, who weighed 1,400 pounds at one stage, the equivalent weight of 8 average men. The tallest man known to science was Robert Wadlow. At the age of 5, he was 5 feet 4 inches tall, and eventually reached a height of over 8 feet 11 inches. At the other end of the scale are midgets such as Charles Sherwood Stratton, alias General Tom Thumb, who was forced to make a living out of his physical deformity. Today, medical science is able to control hormonal abnormality, although there continue to be astonishing examples of disparity in body size and shape. Sandy Allen's growth was controlled by a pituitary gland operation at 7 foot 7 1/4 inches. Through the ages, humans have decorated, marked, and developed their features to establish their identity and to make themselves attractive, while in the process establishing some unique records. The Padaug women of Burma wear coils of copper, which are rarely removed in order to develop the longest necks in the world. A leading candidate for Best Tressed Woman is Diane Witt, with hair almost 11 feet long. But that is way short of the 21 feet long hair of Mata Yagdamba from India. Also in India, Karna Rambil grew his 7 foot 10 inch mustache while serving his life sentence at New Delhi prison.